In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could set Rocket League to 4K resolution on a PC. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, before you even start, you got to make sure that your monitor supports 4K, which is 3840 by 2160. Your graphics card is also going to have to handle 4K, and of course Rocket League is completely closed before you do edit any files. Now begin by actually backing out of Rocket League itself, as I've just mentioned, and then from here open up your File Explorer, which should look something like this. Scroll down to this PC and find your C drive specifically in here. Open that up, and then from here, open up either your program files or your program files x86. You're gonna have to find whatever one it's in. I believe mine's in actually program files x86. Yeah, that's correct because I have Epic Games in here. But essentially, go ahead and find your Rocket League folder. So I downloaded mine through Epic Games. It's gonna be in this section. I lied, it was actually in program files. I believe I said x86. But essentially, once you're in your Rocket League folder, go ahead and find the TAGAME, so tag game folder, just like so. Open that up, open up config, and you're going to see a default system settings that looks something like this. Go ahead and open up this file. And it's going to look a little weird. It kind of looks a little bit complicated, but go ahead and find the resolution, which mine is set to this right here since it's currently not in full screen, but make sure it's in full screen and change this resolution X to 3840 and then change your resolution Y to 2160. And this is going to set the resolution to 4K. Then hit file up at the top, hit save just like so, and then back out and then reload into Rocket League. If you're having any issues, remember, you need to make sure that it says full screen equals true right here as well. But when you get loaded back into Rocket League, your game is going to look noticeably sharper and a lot more detailed. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.